this video, I'm going to paint a rack of billiard balls on the wall of the Citrus Groves Community Center game room. Beginning by taping it off and making a few adjustments. Once I've measured out where 5 balls on each side of the triangle will fit, I begin to sketch the circles. Once the circles have been drawn in, it's little more than a coloring book to paint in the billiard balls, and almost as if by magic, we have a rack of billiard balls on our game room wall.